I'm here with Anthony and Nicola at Proviron. Anthony, I was wondering how many steps are there in requesting a glycol analysis kit, and just walk us through the process of that.
There's not a lot of steps, it's fairly easy. Obviously, if you're an end user and you need some glycol analysis, you reach out to your Keep Supply counterpart. They would provide you with a link to our website where you request the glycol analysis kit. Once the kit's requested, we send the kit in the mail and you'll receive an email with labels to label your glycol sample and to print your return label. Once you've labeled your sample, filled your sample, thrown your return label on the box, it's sent directly to our lab. Usually a 2-week turnaround on analysis. You'd receive a digital document that outlines all the parameters, pH, reserve alkalinity, freeze points, and any recommendations we'd have regarding the health of the glycol and bring it back within spec if it's out.